Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to RobMotive. Today, I've got a couple of pretty simple mods for the new electric line Toyota Tacoma. These are things that I had sitting around, honestly, and this, again, is another thing I love about the Toyota Tacoma. Because the third generation has been around so long, if you simply switch out trucks, whether it's because you do what I do, or maybe you want to try different trim levels, or maybe you've just beat the heck out of yours and you got a different one, you can repurpose some of the mods that you had before. And that's what we're going to do. What I've got sitting over here, and when I say repurpose, actually, some of these I've never used. These I did have, I think, in the magnetic gray metallic truck for a while. When I was going with an orange theme. I did take them out and I went with red in that truck. By the way, these come from Tough Skins, awesome company. There's a link down below, discount code, all that good stuff. If you're looking for a little bling inside or outside your truck, check them out. One thing I want to say about these, it came up in a video. Somebody mentioned that, gee, when you stick them down in there, you can't take them out to clean them or maybe replace them with something else. Well, what I do, they fit so well, I don't even take the cover off of the adhesive. I don't stick them down. I simply lay them in there. That way, if I want to replace them, like I did earlier with a different color, kind of refresh the truck, if you will, or maybe just clean them up, who knows, I can just pull them out. Pretty darn simple. So we're going to put those in the truck. We'll see what it looks like. I'm still not sure what kind of theme I'm going with, so we're going to try these for a little bit. I think orange complements the truck really well. Now, next to them, we've got some cleats. These have never been in a truck. I'm not exactly sure where I even got these from. You know, typically Toyota sends out those plastic cleats, and I've always been a little leery of these. These are metal. They're like, they look like a cast material. Matter of fact, given the seams and the texture, I'd say they were cast. Maximum pull on these is 220 pounds each. So that's a pretty good hold down property, I think. So we're going to put these in, and I think given the extender that I have in the bed right now, which is this same kind of pewter color, they should look pretty good in the back of the truck. Something just to add a little bit of bling. So first off, let's go ahead and put the Tough Skins little pieces in here, see what they look like inside the truck. I'm very curious myself. I came across these today as I was kind of cleaning stuff out. So let's get in and see what they look like. Okay, we're inside, and you notice I do have a bit of orange in here. I have a previous version of the RobMotive sticker. It's of course orange, which I think looks pretty good in here. I don't know if you can see with it contrasting against the electric lime, but I like it. Now we're going to start with the pile we have over here. We have one for the back. We're going to stick that in right here. Again, they just simply drop in there. It's not really too complicated. Actually, I may have it backwards. Let's see. Yeah, I did, just like that. They should fit right down in there. You really shouldn't have to put any pressure on them. That takes care of that one, and this is, of course, is for those rear seat passengers. Now we have the cup holder here in the center. We have the square one, just gonna drop that puppy in just like that. And then we have a round one here to go right next to it, of course, just like that. And then we have a couple here for the forward cup holders, I guess. Go ahead and drop those in. Again, these fit so well that you really don't need to put the adhesive down in there, in my opinion. Let's take a look. I've got everything placed in there. There are the ones for the back. Here are the two for the center. And here are the two for the forward cup holders, we'll call them. Just a little subtle addition. I think they look pretty cool. I love them in the truck. Tough Skins does have other things you can get, of course. These are the ones that I happen to have from the previous truck, so why not use them? Now, let's move on to the bed. We're going to see how these cleats go and how they look. Okay, let's take a leap in here. Real quick, still loving this panel from Snail Armor. There is a discount code down below for this as well. If you want to check one of these out for your truck, pretty cool feature. You can have a flat panel as opposed to the knee-busting ridges that the Tacoma comes with. Anyway, let's jump in, see about putting these cleats in. And of course, they slide in from the front, So we're going to start there and slide them on back and see if they actually do fit. Now, if you've never done this before, it has this little key looking like thing which fits inside the track, hopefully. To get to that, you do need to pop off the cover back here. I think I can do that with one hand. There you go. And then just slide them up to where you want. See if they fit. Got to loosen them a little bit, of course. And then you should just be able to slide them in. So I'm going to need 2 hands for this. Let me get it in and we'll take a look. Okay, to get it in, you just need to start it at the back, push in on the handle, make sure you have it loose enough, and then push in and you can just slide it to where you want it to be. I'm going to put the other ones in and we'll see what it looks like when I'm done. Okay, there you go. Just a little bit of bling along with utility. You can have both, right? I mean, they've got good holding power. They're easy to put in, as you saw. Just put them in the slots, tighten them up. They even fit into slots in the rails. So pretty darn handy, I think. Anyway, I just wanted to get on, kind of show you guys a couple of pretty simple mods. Really more aesthetic for me, although the tie downs will come handy if I need to haul anything, but pretty simple to do. Leave a comment. Let me know if you have these, and let me know if you've ever seen these pewter, silver. We're not going to use the word silver or chrome. We're going to call them pewter metal tie downs. I'd be curious to know, or cleats. Also, real quick, I do have 2 additional channels. Mod Driven, all about the Honda Civic, and RobMotive JT, all about the Jeep Gladiator. Check them out, and if you're interested, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, smash the subscribe button here too. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.